Hi student, my name is Professor Prakash Vasankar. Today we solve one important problem in applications of derivative mathematics part second, and unit is maxima and minima. First we read here the problem carefully. A wire of length L is cut into two parts. One part is bent into a circle and the other into a square. Prove that sum of the area of the circle and the square is least if the radius of the circle is half of the side of the square. This is one word problem in maxima and minima. This is one very most important problem. So suppose here I assume that let x be the side of the square and r be the radius of the circle. That is, here a wire of length L is cut into two parts. One part is bent into a circle and other into a square. So we assume that here let x be the side of the square and r be the radius of the circle. So here we draw the two figure. First figure is circle. This is a circle having radius r. This is a square with side x. And here it is given that in the problem it is given that length of the wire is L. Therefore here L is equals to, here we get one equation. L is equals to circumference of circle plus perimeter of square. And we know that the formula in 10 standard, circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. Perimeter of square, we add here the, we know that four sides of the square are equal. Suppose we assume that this side is x, therefore this is also x, this is also x, this is also x. Therefore perimeter is 4x. Therefore length of wire, which is equals to 2 pi r plus 4x. That is, we get here one equation. That equation is L is equals to 2 pi r plus 4x. So we write here length of wire is equals to circumference of circle plus perimeter of square. Length of wire is equals to circumference of circle plus perimeter of square. And we know that circumference of circle, that is length of wire, which is equals to circumference of circle 2 pi r plus perimeter of square, that is 4x. From this we find 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equals to L minus 4x. So 2 pi r is equals to L minus 4x. And from this step we find here r. For finding r, divided both sides by 2 pi. Therefore r is equals to L minus 4x upon 2 pi. Here r is equals to L minus 4x upon 2 pi. And this is equation number first. And here to show that the radius of circle is equals to half the side of the square, means to show that r is equals to half x if area is least. Suppose here we assume that let capital A be the sum of the area of the circle and the square. Here let capital A be the sum, means addition, sum of the area. SUM, sum means addition. Let capital A be the sum of the area of the circle and the square. And we know that the formula for finding out the area of circle, pi r square. Area of square, side square, that is x square. Therefore A is equals to pi r square plus x. So here the area, that is area A is equals to area of circle pi r square plus side square, that is x square. Then we already find here r. So we put r. R is equals to L minus 4x upon 2 pi by equation number first. So A is equals to A, that is the sum of the area of the circle and the square. So A is equals to pi, here put R is equals to L minus 4x upon 2 pi by using equation number first, whole square plus x square. Then we solve this square. This can be written as L minus 4x whole square upon 4 pi square. So here A is equals to pi L minus 4x whole square upon 4 pi square plus x square. Then in this step, 1 pi get cancelled. So we get A is equals to L minus 4x whole square upon here 4 pi plus x square. In the next step, here we write A is equals to L minus 4x whole square upon 4 pi plus x square. Then here we find the first order derivative. That is, here differentiate these equations with respect to x. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. Then here dA by dx or ddx of A is equals to 1 upon 4 pi constant ddx of L minus 4x whole square. And we find here the derivative of ddx of L minus 4x whole square by using the formula ddx of x to the power n or ddx of f of x to the power n f of x to the power n minus 1 into f dash of x plus here ddx of x square. So we find this derivative in the next step, that is here ddx of A is equals to 1 upon 4 pi as it is, ddx of L minus 4x whole square, that is 2 into L minus 4x to the power 2 minus 1, that is here 1, into ddx of this base, that is L minus 4x, plus ddx of x square, so we get here 2x. Again we repeat this step, differentiate here, differentiate these equations with respect to x. Then ddx of E is equals to 1 upon 4 pi as it is, ddx of L minus 4x whole square. We find this derivative by using the formula ddx of f of x to the power n f of x to the power n minus 1 into f dash of x. Similarly, 2 L minus 4x to the power 2 minus 1, that is 1 into ddx of L minus 4x plus ddx of x square, that is 2x. So we write this here, ddx of x is equals to 2 upon 4 pi L minus 4x to the power 1 ddx of L minus 4x plus ddx of x square, that is 2x. Then here 2 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. So write 1 upon 2 pi into L minus 4x ddx of L, that is the length of wire which is constant, therefore derivative of L is 0, minus here ddx of minus 4x. I find here the ddx of minus 4x by using the formula ddx of nx, that is n. Similarly ddx of minus 4x minus 4. So here 0 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 into here 1. So minus 4 upon 2 pi into L minus 4x plus 2x. Therefore here ddx of A is equals to here 2 upon 4 pi L minus 4x ddx of L minus 4x minus 4 plus 2x. Then here 2 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. And here minus 4 into 1 minus 4 upon 2 pi. Next step, right here dA by dx which is equals to 2 by pi, and here L minus 4x multiply by negative sign, so we get 4x minus L plus 2x, and this is the first order derivative. Again here differentiate both sides with respect to x and find out the second order derivative, that is d2a by dx square. So here d2a by dx square which is equals to 2 upon pi constant ddx of 4x, that is 4, ddx of L 0, 4 minus 0, that is 4, 4 into 2 4, 4 pi plus ddx of 2x2, that is 4 pi plus 2. This is the second order derivative. Right here the second order derivative. We repeat this, dA d2a by dx square, which is equals to 8 by pi plus 2. This is the second order derivative. Again we repeat this step. Here differentiate both sides with respect to x. So d2a by dx square, which is equals to 2 upon pi constant ddx of 4x4 ddx of L 0, 4 minus 0 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 by pi plus ddx of 2x, that is 2. So second order derivative is d2a upon dx square is equals to 8 upon pi plus 2. This is the second order derivative. Next we find the roots of the first order derivative equals to 0. That is, here to find the root of the equation dA by dx, which is equals to 0. That is, here we take first order derivative equals to 0 and find out the roots. And here the first order derivative is 2 upon pi 4x minus L plus 2x, which is equals to 0. And here we solve this and find out the value of x. So we get here, multiply here by 2, so we get 8x minus 2l plus here cross multiply, then we get 2 pi x upon pi, which is equals to 0. Then pi into 0, so right here 0. Therefore here 8x minus 2l as it is plus 2 pi x, pi into 0, 0. Then from first and last term, we take here 2x common. From first and last term 2x take common. Then in bracket here 4 plus pi, which is equals to 2l. Then 2 get cancelled, that is divided both sides by 2. So 2 get cancelled. Therefore x is equals to l upon 4 plus pi. And here to show that for these values of x, the area A is least. If x is equals to L upon 4 plus pi, this is the value of x. Just we find these values of x. So if x is equals to L upon 4 plus pi, then we put the value of x in second order derivative. d2a by dx square at x is equals to L upon 4 plus pi equals to second order derivative is constant, that is 8 upon pi plus 2. And this is positive, so which is greater than 0, means here d2a by dx square, which is greater than 0 for x is equals to L upon 4 plus pi. So by using the second derivative test, area A is least at x is equals to L upon 4 plus pi. Here we use the second derivative test. So by using second derivative test, A has minima at point x is equals to L upon 4 plus pi. And this is the side of the square. Here we first we find here the side of the square. And then here we show that the radius of circle equals to half of the side of the square. So we put the value of x is equals to L upon 4 plus pi in equation number first. We already find equation number first. Put x is equals to L upon 4 plus pi in equation number first. Therefore equation first becomes here r is equals to L minus 4 as it is. Here r, put r is L minus here 4x. So putting the value of x, L upon 4 plus pi upon 2 pi. Then we solve this. Therefore r is equals to, here cross multiply L in bracket 4 plus pi minus 4L upon 2 pi as it is into 4 plus pi. Then multiply by L. So we get L into 4, 4L. L into pi, pi L. Therefore here R is equals to 4L. plus pi L minus 4L as it is upon denominator as it is, that is 2 pi in bracket 4 plus pi. Then here this 4L get cancelled. So we get here L pi upon 2 pi 4 plus pi. Again here pi get cancelled. Therefore R is equals to 1 by 2 L upon 4 plus pi. Therefore here R is equals to 1 by 2 L upon 4 plus pi. And L upon 4 plus pi, this is the side of the sphere, that is x. So which is equals to 1 by 2x. Therefore here radius of circle R, which is equals to half of side of the sphere. And this is the required solutions of the words problem in maxima and minima. Dear student, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel.